But the basic thing is to understand this intuition of Adam Smith's supply and demand model. Okay? Questions about that?
Fucking Peacock, you hear me? Backhand, you
Okay.
son.
Now,
Look, you got to play with that auto drop a little bit better. And it,
raises another
this
important
whole
distinction
thing is
that will
lynched on
focus
this
the
boot
semester
barn
and
thing
easily
right
get
here,
mixed
and
up.
how
So
you
once
can,
if you're ever
you're going to
unclear, I
need
want to ask
China
you about
and
it.
fucking
And
Russia
that's the
while we're at it,
distinction
and you're going to have to pull your
between
shit together and figure it out as a unit inside of there,
positive
as a goddamn unit, I said,
normative.
about figuring it out in America and who's on what part of
Positive
the list and who's using
Positive
fucking
analysis
calculus.
Is the study of the way things are, while normative analyses is the study of the way things should
Listen
be.
to our treasurer, shall we?
Positive
All the
analysis is the study of
fucking
the way things
treasure
are,
in here.
While normative analysis is the study of the way things should be.
If I gotta sit
Let me give you a great
every
example,
one of you motherfuckers
which is,
down and
layoffs.
redo the class, I will. And you should as well.
Mountains are a terrific example. They're like the
We can't have
textbook
that.
example
We
of
can't
competitive
have shit
market.
like those on
You
those
can see in
mountains
your
and
head,
not notice
demand
it.
comes a bunch of
That's
people
what
going on
happens when you
bidding.
pin in a credit
People want it more,
to
bid
real
more.
estate
So you actually get a
to
demand
retail,
curve behind
and
the
they're all
price.
trading
It's
shares
the
on
real
each
estate
other, and
bid.
you just smash
Why
somebody.
is how many units of it are for sale?
They're
on
all
eBay?
up in it, not long on games for what it
bid
does, nor
until
do they
those
give
two
a
meet.
fuck about the
And then
treasure
you have
stats
a
and the
market equilibrium
foundation.
at that bidded price. Okay? Now, one example of an eBay auction that got a lot of attention a number of years
Jim,
ago,
If they're not
early
in,
days of eBay,
we're gonna hammer them. I don't know if we'll quite do the XI model.
they said, "Look,
Obviously,
I
I
got
have
two
to
kidneys,
think
you only want
long
to live.
about what's
There
gonna
are people out
go
there
on
who need a
here.
kidney. I'm putting my
But I
kidney on
love
eBay
your
for auction.
masquerade. You better fucking leave it.
And what happened, bidding went nuts. It started at 25,000. It climbed to 5 million.
Like I said, we don't have the
Before auction was shut down,
population
eBay decided
problem
they wouldn't allow
that
you to sell your
XI's
body.
got. Before somebody wants to talk off at the mouth, I'm gonna backhand
Okay.
you.
So this raises two questions.
Putin has
The
every
first
right
is
to
the
clean up that
positive
fucking
question.
mess over there, and
Why
we're gonna
did the
let him.
price go
Hopefully,
so
we'll
high?
give some time over here, and this fucking generation right here can make a deal with that man. And you're gonna let us.
Okay, let's
Same deal with China, and it's you assholes we're gonna restaff.
Yeah.
I love America, right? It's got some nice
Low
stuff.
supply, high demand.
Love to
Demand
keep it
is
around. Love to
incredibly
keep
high,
the
'cause, like,
staff
buy without
fucking
it.
rolling. Groundkeeper
Supply is
Willie
low,
out
'cause,
there
like, not all
killing
of
it.
us are willing to sell their
Out
kids
there in
everything.
Tent City, out there
Okay.
fucking grinding it
So
out
low
on
supply,
CNBC.
high
There he
demand
was on
led to a
your
high price.
fucking photon.
Adam Smith at work. That's
That's the
positive
value.
analysis. Okay?
That fucking moment.
But then there's the normative question, which is, should you be allowed to sell your